In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a healthy version of macaroni and cheese. I used fusilli noodles for this recipe since I didn't have macaroni noodles, but you may use macaroni noodles. These are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. To make the cheese sauce, we'll be using the cauliflower, but trust me, it will taste really good. Adding cauliflower to the cheese sauce adds more fiber to the recipe. Start by grating the cheese. Shred the cauliflower in a food processor until it's nice and fine. In a pot, melt the coconut oil at medium temperature. Once the coconut oil is melted, add the cauliflower. Cook the cauliflower. You may need to add water. Once the cauliflower is cooked, mash the cauliflower in a separate bowl. Once the cauliflower is in a puree consistency, place the cauliflower back into the pot and then add the cheese. Melt the cheese at a low temperature. In a separate pot, cook the pasta. Once the cheese is melted, you may add salt and pepper for taste to the cheese sauce. Once the pasta is fully cooked, add the pasta to the cheese sauce and mix well. I hope you guys liked this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.